Row over the CBSE exams comprehension passage echoed in the parliament, with Sonia Gandhi raking it up in the lower house and the opposition staging a walkout. Now, I've been joined by women MPs and I'll take their reaction on the entire issue. Priyanka, the passage indeed a very shocking one.
Absolutely shocking, and I would want to read out that particular passage which said, what people were slow to observe was that emancipation of wife destroyed parents' authority over children.
Oh.
The mother didn't exemplify the obedience upon which she insisted to her child. Are they trying to say women who step out of homes to contribute economically to the family is being disobedient? Disobedient to whom? Disobedient to the societal regressive mindset that RSS has been proposing all the time. The country has been witness to the thought process of RSS, where they said women's role, they've reduced women's role to just handling children and families. But this is not how Indian women are. Today we sit suspended, but our voices aren't silenced. We speak for the people of this country. And this entire feeling of not handling the children being the only judgment point for how a woman should lead her life is extremely unfortunate, and I'm demanding an unconditional apology from CBSE and even the Minister of Education for allowing them to get away scot-free with such kind of questions.
And this is not the first time, Donaji. All the time, there is a lot of preaching about women, independent women, how much they should be independent, how much they should be emancipated.
As women, we are very much ashamed that what not we have to tolerate over here in Modi ji's regime as a citizen of our country. And we demand, we will write to HRD Minister too, and we demand unconditional revoke and unconditional apology for these towards the women, towards the citizens of India, and towards our constitution. And
You're an empowered woman, you're an MP, you represent a constituency. Do you really think that people should hold you in judgment and you've been less obedient to your parents when you've studied and were independent, since you've been doing politics for long?
women, empowered or not, whoever she is, even if a woman is a housewife, still they have no right, CBSE has no right to be the headmaster of the women. What and what not the women will do, that's their prerogative and not the quote-unquote headmasters of our country.
Right, I don't really know that when will the women in this country be left alone as far as, making their own decisions are concerned, and this preaching that really starts, society telling them how they should be the most ideal woman and what is an ideal woman and what is not an ideal woman. छाया जी, क्या कहना है आपका इस पूरे मसले पे? इस मसले पे क्या कहना है आपका पूरा, जो महिला वाला जो CBSE के एग्जाम को लेके?
देखिए, ये CBSE बोर्ड वाले पूरी तरह से एक तरह से महिला विरोधी काम कर रहे हैं, और देश की महिलाओं के लिए जिन्होंने इस तरह के शब्दों का इस्तेमाल किया है, महिला ही है जो देश को और घर को दोनों को।
आप खुद छत्तीसगढ़ से आई हैं, वहाँ पे भी महिलाएं हैं, एक आइकॉन है आप। इस तरह का जो पैसेज में जो शब्दावली का इस्तेमाल हुआ,
निश्चित रूप से ये बहुत ही निंदनीय शब्द का उन्होंने इस्तेमाल किया। इसके लिए उन्हें पूरे भारत की महिलाओं से माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए, हर महिला से माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए। और जिन्होंने ऐसे शब्द का उपयोग किया है वो खुद एक महिला, उसकी माँ है, उसकी बहन होगी घर पे, तो जो अपनी माँ बहन का सम्मान नहीं कर सकते वो देश की अन्य महिलाओं का और किसका सम्मान करेंगे। और इस तरह से शब्द का इस्तेमाल करना बहुत ही गलत है।
बच्चों को यही सिखाना है,
और बच्चों को ये सिखाना तो और भी बहुत गलत बात है। मैं उनके इस कृत्य के लिए कड़े शब्दों से निंदा करती हूँ और उनको माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए।
So unconditional apology is what women MPs say that the CBSE should issue, and it's high time that these are the schools of thought that actually have a deep imprint on children's psyche, and if such comprehension passages exist in an examination paper, then God save the future of the children who study such passages. This is Mosmi Singh in Delhi for India Today.